Hey guys, Rich Bassine here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. Today I want to talk about YouTube's reuse content policy. And for those who out there, maybe you're not familiar with it, or maybe you're just finding out about it, and I just wanted to share it with you guys, so I'm going to keep this video as short as possible. So without further ado, let's get right to it. I'm going to minimize the screen here. And there I am over there, and here it is, and I will drop the links to both of these websites here. Well, one is for YouTube, and of course we got this one here, which is from the Google support team. Okay, and as over here you can see it says reuse content and YouTube's partner program. Okay, so I'm just gonna read a little into it, and then we're just gonna jump to the other screen, and hopefully we'll be finished with this video because I know you guys are busy and I don't want to take too much of your time. So it goes on to say, hi creators, we've heard the feedback that it can be hard to understand some of the policies that we have for monetizing in our YouTube partner program, and our reuse content policy in particular raised some questions. Hopefully this frequently asked questions helps make this a little clearer and makes it easier for you to avoid any run-ins with our policies on reuse content. Now it goes on to say here really quick question, what does reuse contents mean? It says a reuse content is a content that is not clearly your own original creation. I tell people this all the time when it comes to making videos. Five things I want to share this real quick with you when it comes to creating videos. Keep it real, keep it original, let your channel grow organically, and don't forget those good thumbnails and titles. Do those 5 steps and you should be good to go. But also read the YouTube policies, okay, what they have in it, what you see here. And if you follow along with it, you guys should be good to go, okay? I mean, that's why I take the time out of my day to share this information with you guys. And the most important thing is that you get a takeaway from the videos I put out, okay? So please, if you get a chance, read this here. I'm just going to do a little mouse scroll over here, and you can see the rest of the stuff that they're talking about. Compilation of clips, short videos, collections, promotion of other people's content. Just read this information here. Definitely go to the site because I'm going to drop the links, because you see these blue lettering here. These are all active hyperlinks, and when you click it on, it's going to take you to another page. But I don't want to keep this video too long, so you could do that at your own leisure, okay? And here's the other thing I want to share with you really quick. I'm not going to play it. The video is only 4 minutes and 34 seconds long. As you can see, YouTube's reuse content policy explained. This, well, according to this here, when you see this video, it's going to be a lot later. It says this video was 28 minutes ago, so it just came out. It's from the Creator Insider, okay? I highly recommend you listen to it and check out the other site I just showed you there from Google support, okay? All right, that's all I have right now for you guys. I hope this information helped you out. And if you do like my videos, or if you checked out any of my other videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share. And if you want to be updated when I post out new videos, please hit that bell notification icon. This is Rich Bassine signing off. I will talk to you guys next time. Take care, and bye-bye for now.